Hey folks, so one thing which I want you to add immediately in your routine is this lacrosse ball. Why I'm telling you to add this? Because of your shoulder. Shoulder is one of the major joint in our body. It's a ball and socket joint which has the ability to move in different planes. We can flex, we can extend, we can internal rotate, we can external rotate, we can horizontally adduct. So and I want you to keep your shoulders safe, whether you are doing the gym exercise or whether you are doing Olympic lifts. And with the help of this lacrosse ball, I'm here to tell you how you can improve the range of motion of your joint with the help of this ball, and how you can keep your shoulders safe and more flexible. So what you have to do, we'll be rolling this whole region with the help of this lacrosse ball. So mainly the tightness in our shoulder is due to two reasons, which is when our pec muscles, chest muscles get tight, or when our lat muscles or the back muscles get tight. Here with the help of the lacrosse ball, we will be releasing that tightness. How? First, what we'll be doing is you'll be placing this lacrosse ball on this front part of your shoulder, and the region where your chest muscles are joining your humerus bone, which is this bone. So you will be placing here, and then you will be start rolling. You'll be start rolling back and forth, up and down for 1 minute. 1 minute each side you will do. What next you will do? You will place this lacrosse ball on the ball of your humerus, which is this muscle. So you will then start rolling over here. Okay, so you can move it up and down, back and forth, sideways. The main reason is to press the ball with your body, like you transfer your body weight on the ball and then you are pressing it. So it's like a deep tissue massage you are giving with the help of this small lacrosse ball. What's the next thing which you have to do is you will be placing it on your upper trapezius here, this region. So we will be covering up this region, we'll be covering up the scapula. Okay, so with the help of this lacrosse ball, so then again you have to keep rolling it back and forth, up and down. Okay, so what I do is I first roll this part, then I go a little bit more down, and then I keep rolling that full area until I feel that, oh yes, I got the relief from that tightness. And one more thing which has helped me in increasing the range of motion of this shoulder joint tremendously. What is this? So if you see that this is our scapula, and you have to keep the lacrosse ball on this part, the downward region of your scapula. Okay, so you place the ball here. Okay, just keep your body stable, keep your core tight. Okay, thumbs up. And then what you have to do, keeping your arm stable, just take your arm up, see till where you are able to go without overarching your back or without overextending your back. You have to lift your arm up and then down. So then close the thumb, keep doing it, give it 15 reps, do 15 reps, or do it for complete 1 minute each side, and then see major changes in this motion. Okay, so this type of exercises I do before heading for my upper body workout, especially when I'm having this bench press, when I'm having the shoulder press, when I'm having clean and jerk, so when I'm having push press. So whether you do Olympic lifts or whether you are just going to the gym, I want you to get this lacrosse ball and add these exercises before your upper body workouts. These exercises will help you before doing bench press, before doing push press, before doing shoulder press, before doing lateral raises, before doing lat pull down. So all the upper body workouts, with the help of this lacrosse ball, you can relieve the tightness, you can get rid of the soreness, and prepare yourself a lot more better for next workout and recover quickly as well. So get this lacrosse ball. You can get it from Decathlon is everywhere, so go for it, get one for yourself. Good luck. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Good luck.